Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, this is Sayantani and you are watching DIY already. We are gonna celebrate Eid in a few days, so I decided to do a tutorial on Eid makeups. This was a requested video, so I had to take the challenge. To be very honest, I don't know how to do makeup. Makeup is not my thing, but I'm trying. Don't judge me. I decided to go for a festive makeup today, and all makeup items are very affordable. I am using beauty products for the first time for this video. Before we start today's video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you can stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and also comment below so that I can learn something from you as well. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. I am going to show you how I did this makeup step by step, and if I can do this, you can definitely do better than me. So let's start. First, I applied lighter concealer from Wet n Wild makeup stick and covered around eyebrows and on my eyelids. Then used MAC 190 series brush to blend them. Next step is to applying the eyeshadows. First I used the pink shade from BH Cosmetics. Once that was done, I applied this whitish silver shade from the same palette. Then I used this metallic grey shade from again BH Cosmetics. Now using this gold shade from that same palette. To enhance the depth of my eyelids, I used the same metallic grey from BH Cosmetics and also added a little bit of gold on top of the previous one. Now using the charcoal shade from Rimmel London at the outer corner of my eyelids. Then rolled NYX Roll-On Shimmer on the middle of my eyelids and blend it with MAC 224 series brush. Then clean the excess eye makeup with cotton bud and makeup cleaner. After the basic eye makeup was done, I used two different shades of concealers from Wet n Wild to highlight and draw the contour of my face and blend them with MAC 224 series brush. So the thing I learned from my mistakes that I should not use the same brush for lighter concealer and the darker one because it will mix up, and I had to fix my face several times. I never used it before, that's the first time I did. So yeah, I just wanted to share. Now using L'Oreal Visible Lift Foundation number 143 on my face and blending it with brush and later with a sponge. Don't ignore your neck area, otherwise you will end up with two different shades of skin colors. It's time for the eyebrow. I used this charcoal shade from Rimmel London. It's supposed to be an eyeshadow, but I'm using for eyebrow anyway. Then spread the setting powder with the help of MAC 129 series brush. This step will help me to clean up quickly if I make any mistake during eye makeup. For blush, I used this shade of Master Glaze from Maybelline. I used brush to blend it. Now this product is amazing. I bought it from Ross and this is the first time I'm using it. This is Sunkissed illuminator and bronzer. I applied it on my cheekbone, nose, chin and forehead. As this is a festive makeup, you want it to be shiny, so highlighting is very important. It definitely gave me the glow I was looking for. Okay, this tip is optional. I used a white eyeliner from Rimmel London so that it would be easier for me to draw my next liner, I guess. I can just follow the line. You can skip this step. Then used a black eye pencil from Physicians Formula. I covered the waterline and also below that and smudged it with Maybelline Master Smoky. Then drew the pink line below the black eyeliner. This is the same pink shade I used before from BH Cosmetics. Now using black gel eyeliner from Maybelline to draw the line on my upper lids. You can see how I'm drawing on my inner corner. This will give an impression of bigger eyes. Then use the same eye pencil to draw the line below. My eye makeup is done. Now I can finally breathe, I guess. Now using the silvery peach color from BH Cosmetics to highlight my face and upper lips. Drawing the contour of my lips with a lip liner from Wet n Wild. Now using Jennifer's Nude 370 from L'Oreal. To settle the lipstick, I am doing that tissue paper trick everyone is talking about. The final touch is this lip gloss from Napoleon Perdis. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I tried this tutorial for the first time and used many new products for the first time as well. I hope you like this tutorial because I had fun doing it. Please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. I am coming every week with new videos, so stay tuned. See you in my next video. Till then, stay well and bye.